Action! Wait lang ulit. Cut!
Ano ba yan? Ayos kasi, pang ilang take na yan. Oo nga, wala namang nakakatawa.
Si Sion kasi, tindi ng lock-in.
Kasalanan ko pa talaga.
Hindi. Sorry na. O game na, ayusin ko na. Sige lang, take your time guys.
Para sa kapaypas. Mahal kita. Katina. Bobo!
Cut!
Anya, may sasabihin ka pa doon bago ka mamatay.
Ano nga ulit yung line ko?
Sasabihin mo, mahal din kita.
Oo nga pala. Sorry.
Dapat ikaw na lang bida, Becky. Tagal tuloy natin.
Ew, yung ka mag-female lead ni Damian. Tsaka sabi ni Damian... Ay, yaan nyo na. Patapos naman na eh. Tsaka enjoy naman eh.
Enjoy ang po.
Sion.
Bilisan nyo, uwing-uwi na ako.
Eh di umuwi ka na. Pakamot nga ng likod ko, ang kati. Kupal. Pero kilala ko sinong pinaka nag-e-enjoy.
Oo nga eh, sakit sa mata.
We're friends. Of course, crush ko tatay mo.
Sa isang sulat mo ay nabihag ako.
Ha? Kaya pala tanong ka ng tanong sa tatay ko, ha?
Lo, it was just a joke oy trend man.
We are friends. Of course, ako yung nagnakaw ng 500 mo noon.
Huh?
So we brought pandesal and
Nagbili po kami ng kopi ko brown, tapos ito Milo, tapos nagdonat po kami ni Isabel. Ganyan, gusto mo?
Dali ng aking pag-ibig, ikaw ang binibini na ninanais ko. Binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ay pang habang buhay nga ito. Ikaw ang binibini na ninanais ko. Binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ay pang habang buhay nga ito.
A woman stepped into the street and began to dance uncontrollably in 1518. She danced for days without stopping, and soon others joined her. Over 50 people were swept up in the bizarre dancing frenzy. The dancers moved with such intensity that some collapsed from exhaustion, and a few might have died from heart attacks and strokes. Local authorities were baffled, believing it was a curse or divine punishment. Now, they tried to cure the dancers by encouraging more dancing, thinking it would expel the madness. But it only spread further, lasting for over a month before mysteriously fading away.
I imagine we fell in love and I'll bother moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us, you with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your hair. So let me fly with you, will you be forever with me? I should know that you're no good for me. 'Cause your heart's in your cold, you're yes then you're no, you're in then you're out, you're up then you're down, you're wrong when it's right, it's black and it's white. We fight, we break up, we kiss, we make up. You don't really wanna stay, no. You don't really wanna go. Your heart's in your cold, you're yes then you're no, you're in then you're out, you're up then you're down.
Bacon avocado. Gusto ko lang naman pumasa. Huwag niyo akong hintaying manakit.
Bacon avocado. Ellen mo ba kay ka-crush ba?
Bacon avocado. Kanina hindi ako galit. Kaso tanong ka ng tanong kung galit ba ako. Eh di po, nang galit na ako.
Sino na naman dumekwat ng Gtek ko? Pre, nakalimutan mo mag-bacon avocado.
You look pretty.
What did you say?
I said you look shitty. Good night, Denise.
Harness your hopes on just one person, because you know a harness was only made for one. Don't telegraph your passes, you'll end up with molasses.
May gusto sa akin si Sai On.
Nagkita rin ang ating landas, wala nang iba akong hinihiling kundi
Uy, Anya, asa si Becky?
Wala pa. Bakit mo hinanap?
Dalang.
Crush mo si Becky, alam ko.
Booster na.
Ang boring naman.
Nagkita rin ang ating landas, wala na
Ba't siya tumingin dito? Muli niya ba akong nakatingin?
ika'y pagmasdan. Mundo ko ay umiyanig. Gayang kay sumama sa
Tara, laro tayo spin the battle. Uy, tara, gusto ko yan. Walang alam
Sali.
kapag... Sorry ka. Tumabi agad siya kay Becky.
Yung tawa-tawa mo dyan. Baliw.